So we're going to start with the 2 seams because that's what we're going to be using today, not the folded side. So just pop the 2 seams on your head to make it look like it's got layers, because we're going to work with this later. So what you're going to do is just adjust it a little bit and then literally just wrap it around your head and just tie it like you would, you know, start to tie a normal shoe. So just tie it in a basic tie basically and pull. So this is going to be quite tight, so you're going to have 2 ends, okay? Now just loosen the knot. That's all you need to do, is just loosen that knot, that's all. Then you use the corner and just wrap it around your neck and tuck it under, and just tuck in anything that you might have sticking out, just so you're happy with the way that it looks. And just make it look a little bit tidier. So I'm just gonna pin things in place first until I can get my little waving shape, and then we're just going to cover up the little white part slowly and just pin everything in place so you're happy with it. So it's all kind of like tuck in and corner, and just letting that lovely part fall. And if you want, you can obviously add an accessory to cover up the pins. I'm using the ball pins on purpose so you can see where I'm pinning, but invisible pins look better. And if you're self-conscious about your neck, you can pin this up so it covers your neck as well, and you can actually pin this to the undercap that you have underneath. You can wear earrings with this look, it looks really good. And then just touch up anything and just pin anything down you think that may slip, that you're not very comfortable with. And you can actually add your accessories to your neck, to the top, and just adding accessories. It's really accessible and I love this. It's so good for weddings, and I think I'm going to start using this look every day now. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you like it. Bye!